Good morning, I'm John Perkins with the Opening Market Minute. Soybeans are modestly higher on Thursday, supported by the good week for export sales and some continued optimism about proposed Phase 1 of the trade deal between the United States and China. The tariffs scheduled to go into effect on the 15th are still on the table, but again, there's some renewed optimism this morning. Corn's modestly higher, weekly export sales are larger than expected, and contracts are a little bit oversold after Wednesday's decline. Corn's keeping an eye on some very late U.S. harvest activity as well. And wheat's modestly higher, also a little bit oversold, so there is some short covering support, and weekly export sales are larger than expected. Live and feeder cattle are mixed ahead of this week's widespread direct cash cattle business. Asking prices are holding at 122 live and around 190 to 192 on the dress basis, but packer inquiry remains very light. And hogs are higher. Weekly export sales, maybe not great, down a little bit on the week and a little bit below average, but Mexico and China were the leading buyer for 2019 delivery. Japan was the big buyer for 2020, but China did cancel on 2020 U.S. pork. I'm John Perkins with the Opening Market Minute.